In this video, I'll show you how to create a Gantt view in Airtable. First, sign into your Airtable account and open the base where you want to organize your project timeline. Select the table that contains the tasks or records you want to display in the Gantt chart. Next, make sure your table has the correct date fields. Add a start date field and an end date field if you don't already have them. Airtable uses these fields to determine when each task begins and how long it should appear on the timeline. After that, click Create New View in your table and select Gantt from the available view options. Give your view a name, then choose the date fields Airtable should use for the timeline. Your records will now appear as bars showing the duration of each task. Now, customize your Gantt view by grouping tasks, adjusting the timeline scale, and organizing records based on your workflow. You can drag task bars to change dates, resize them to adjust durations, and update your project schedule directly from the view. Finally, review your Gantt chart and make any additional changes needed. You can use this view to track projects, manage deadlines, and keep your team organized while all changes stay connected to your Airtable base. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Gantt view in Airtable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.